Have you ever wondered what makes cryptocurrency like Bitcoin so secure and unique? The secret sauce is a revolutionary technology known as blockchain. First surfacing in the late 2000s alongside Bitcoin, blockchain and cryptocurrency have since become almost synonymous, like two sides of a coin. So what exactly is blockchain? Picture it as a decentralized ledger, a continuously growing list of records called blocks that are linked and secured using cryptography. Unlike traditional databases managed by a central authority, the blockchain is shared, updated, and validated by an entire network of computers, referred to as nodes. This decentralization is what gives blockchain its unique charm and strength. Now, you might be wondering why all the hype around blockchain? Well, the magic lies in its unique characteristics. First, it's transparent. Every transaction occurring on the blockchain is visible to every participant in the network. This transparency fosters trust and accountability, a stark contrast to the opacity of traditional banking and financial systems. Second, it's secure. The cryptographic linkage between blocks makes the blockchain highly resistant to tampering, hacking, or alteration. Once a block is added to the blockchain, changing it would require altering every subsequent block, a task so computationally intensive it's virtually impossible. Lastly, it's efficient. By removing the need for intermediaries, blockchain can potentially enable faster, cheaper, and more efficient transactions than traditional systems. This efficiency is particularly relevant in the world of finance, where blockchain underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. To sum it up, blockchain is a game-changing technology that offers transparency, security, and efficiency. It's the backbone of cryptocurrencies, and its potential extends far beyond, into sectors like healthcare, supply chain, and governance, to name just a few. Now that you have a basic understanding of what blockchain is, let's delve deeper into how it functions. Blockchain, in its essence, is a chain of blocks, but not in the traditional sense of those words. Rather, we're talking about digital information stored in a public database. But let's break it down a little further for clarity. When we say blocks, think of them as digital storage units. They hold batches of valid transactions, like the pages in a ledger. Each block records the details of several transactions, including the date, time, and the amount of your most recent purchase. Now, who's involved in these transactions, you may ask? Well, each block also records who is participating in these transactions. But instead of using your actual name, your purchase is recorded without any identifying information using a unique digital signature, sort of like a username. But it doesn't stop there. Each block also stores information that distinguishes them from each other. A unique code called a hash allows us to tell it apart from every other block. Hashes are cryptographic codes created by special algorithms. Here's the fascinating part. Each block's hash is created using the hash of the block before it in the chain, in addition to its own transaction data. This is what makes the data in a block virtually tamper-proof. If someone tries to change the transaction data inside a block, the block's hash will change, but the hash in the next block will not. This discrepancy makes it extremely difficult for anyone to manipulate the blockchain. And just like that, blocks are added to the blockchain in a linear, chronological order. New blocks are always added to the end of the blockchain. And once a block has been added to the blockchain, it is very difficult to go back and alter the contents of the block. That's because each block contains its own hash, along with the hash of the block before it, as well as the previously mentioned time and transaction data. And voila, you've just got a glimpse into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. But you might still be wondering, why is it so important? In today's digital age, why do we need a technology like blockchain? The answer lies in the unique benefits that blockchain brings to the table. To start with, blockchain maintains the authenticity and integrity of data. In a world where data is the new oil, ensuring its authenticity becomes paramount. Blockchain, with its decentralized ledger system, ensures that data, once entered, cannot be tampered with or altered. Each block in a blockchain carries a unique identifier, called a hash. Any change in the data would result in a change in the hash, thereby alerting the system to possible tampering. But it's not just about maintaining data integrity. Blockchain also plays a pivotal role in preventing fraud and double spending. In traditional systems, a central authority verifies transactions, making it possible for fraudsters to game the system. However, with blockchain, each transaction is verified by multiple nodes in the network, making it virtually impossible to commit fraud. This is particularly important in financial transactions where double spending, the risk of a digital currency being spent twice, is a real concern. Blockchain effectively eliminates this risk, making digital transactions more secure. Moreover, blockchain ensures transparency. All transactions on a blockchain are visible to all participants in the network. This transparency fosters trust among participants and reduces the likelihood of disputes. The decentralization aspect of blockchain cannot be overstated. By not having a central authority, blockchain eliminates the risk of single-point failures and the potential for misuse of power. It empowers individuals and democratizes access to information, thereby fostering a more equitable digital ecosystem. In essence, blockchain is not just a technology, it's a paradigm shift in how we handle and trust data. It's about creating a more secure, transparent, and equitable digital world where the power is not concentrated in the hands of a few, but distributed among many. Indeed, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives, not just financial transactions. While blockchain and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are often mentioned together, blockchain's applications extend far beyond that. Let's imagine a world where blockchain technology permeates our daily lives. So what's in this world? It's a world where trust is no longer a luxury but a given thanks to the transparency and security offered by blockchain. Let's start with the healthcare industry. Blockchain can revolutionize healthcare by providing a secure and unalterable platform for storing patient records. Imagine having your entire medical history securely stored on a blockchain, accessible only by you and your healthcare provider. This could eliminate errors, improve patient care, and even save lives. Now let's move on to supply chain management. Ever wondered about the journey of a product from its origin to your doorstep? With blockchain, this entire process can be traced and verified. This can help in ensuring the authenticity of products, preventing counterfeit goods, and improving overall efficiency. In the financial sector, blockchain can eliminate the need for intermediaries in transactions. It can provide a faster, more secure, and more efficient method of transferring funds. This can be a game changer, especially for international transactions where fees and transaction times are often high. And these are just a few examples. Blockchain can also be used in sectors like real estate, where it can streamline property transactions, or in education, where it can verify degrees and certifications. The possibilities are endless. But here's the thing. Blockchain isn't just about improving existing systems. It's about creating new opportunities, new industries, and new ways of doing things. It's about enabling peer-to-peer interactions without the need for a central authority. It's about creating a more decentralized, more democratic, and more transparent world. Yes, it might seem like a distant dream now, but remember, every great innovation starts as a dream. And with every passing day, we are getting closer to making this dream a reality. And that, my friends, is the power of blockchain, a technology that transcends boundaries and industries. So, we've taken a journey through the world of blockchain, but what are the key points to remember? Firstly, we dove into the fascinating world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. We discovered that blockchain is essentially a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that securely records transactions across multiple computers. This technology ensures that each unit of digital information can only be used once, preventing double spending without the need for a central authority. Next, we unraveled the workings of blockchain. Each block in a blockchain contains a list of transactions. When a block is completed, it's added to the chain in a linear, chronological order. Each block is linked to the one before and after it, creating an unalterable and transparent chain of transactions. The transparency of the system and its resistance to alteration makes it a secure and trustworthy method of recording transactions. Our exploration then led us to the significance of blockchain. Its importance lies in its capacity to democratize trust and eliminate the need for intermediaries in digital transactions. Blockchain technology offers us a decentralized, secure way of transferring any form of value, be it money, goods, property, or even votes. Finally, we ventured beyond the realm of cryptocurrency to see how blockchain's potential extends much further. From supply chain management to healthcare to voting systems and beyond, the possibilities are truly endless. The transparency, security, and efficiency offered by blockchain make it a game changer for many sectors. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of blockchain technology, From understanding what it is and how it works, to exploring its significance and its applications beyond cryptocurrency. Remember, blockchain is not just a buzzword. It's a technology that holds the potential to fundamentally change how we interact with digital information. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious about the future of blockchain technology.